Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today, we are going to discuss chapter number 4 of geography, that is maps. But before to start this chapter, let's have a quick recapitulation of the previous chapter. Dear students, in the previous chapter, we learned about the globe, which is the accurate model of the earth. It is true that a globe looks like the same as has been seen by men from the space. Globe carries many shortcomings also, so we cannot compare cities, countries and other places at the same time. Now, in this module, we will study about introduction to map, history of maps, advantages of maps. Now let's further move with introduction to map. The word map is derived from the Latin word mappa, which means sheet or napkin. It is also called so because all the earlier maps were mostly either made or drawn on clothes, skins and parchments. If we drew the map of world or a part of it on a piece of paper, that drawing is called a map. Map is a flat and symbolic representation of the earth or a part of the earth's surface. Thus, a map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawing on a flat surface according to a scale. Now, let's further move history of maps. Map mapping is not a new concept. In the earliest time, the Greek scholars made maps. The science of map making was developed by a Greek scholar, Seleucus Ptolemy. He is also known as the father of cartography. The science of map making is called cartography. The book that contains various maps is known as Atlas. Now, advantages of maps. A map gives us information about the Earth's surface in a simple and graphic manner, which is very easy to understand. A flat map can show large area on a single piece of paper. It is very easy to compare cities, countries, and other places as they are visible at the same time. It is easy to carry maps to any place as they can be folded and stored conventionally. Maps generally use signs and symbols in different colors. This makes them more understandable. Map may be drawn for a specific purpose. For example, a weather map shows only the weather condition at a given time and place, while a political map shows the boundaries of a country, state, etc. Dear students, that's all for this module. Thank you and have a nice day.